Hello again guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to log out YouTube account on mobile. First, make sure that you are connected to the internet and then open your YouTube application. Here, tap your profile icon located at the upper right corner. Then choose or tap the arrow symbol here at the top. Then choose here the sign out option. In case that the sign out option here does not appear, then you need to do is go to your phone settings. Then scroll, go to apps, then tap apps here, and then look for YouTube. Then tap this, then go to storage, and you need to clear the data here in order to show the sign out option in YouTube application. Okay, that's it guys on how to log out your YouTube account in mobile device. Thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips.